But yeah,
All right,
so
guys, welcome to the Guy Cooker Gym podcast. It's me and Graham right now.
yeah.
And if you like this channel, which is basically about all things blurred, that is Black Nerd, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh shit.
But today, guys, we're going to talk about washing chicken because apparently, we'll just say that certain people are saying that, we're wrong as Black people saying that we need to wash our chicken and it spreads salmonella and all that stuff. So I call cap on that because my mom always washed the chicken before we ate it and she cooked it. And I'll be continuing that tradition of washing my chicken. What do you think, Graham?
All right, I'm sorry, because like Will's up there. I don't
Yo, bring Will down here.
yeah, I can't. Like it's like a two people thing.
Oh, he got his mask on?
Ooh. All right, you can stay up there.
Yeah.
Is
Bruh,
it
No,
like,
y'all.
okay, I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
so you got these people or certain people talking about how we shouldn't wash chicken. Please enlighten them and tell them how this is cap.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Water,
nah.
lemon,
Yep.
and a little bit of Dawn dish soap. I better not catch y'all putting salt in that bitch either.
I'm in a damn circus, guys.
Check me out.
I'm in a damn circus.
I don't know what y'all talking about. Man, this sun hitting good today.
Shit.
This is why Drake must be stopped because they're gassing up people like Will's head.
She's right out here.
Drake
Like,
must be stopped
yo,
from that period.
Yo, I don't know what you're talking about.
oh my god.
Anyways, guys, yeah, I washed my
Shit.
chicken with some lime. So put it in some water, put some lime on it, dress it up real nice so we can, curry it up and jerk it up. I don't know about this Dawn dish soap foolishness this guy is talking about right now.
Pause.
Yo, I'm done. I'm fucking
My
done.
man talking about jerking chicken.
Yeah, we jerking chicken. We jerking the
Wait,
chicken.
Jamaican or
We
something?
jerking it up. Jamaican jerking it up.
Yo, my
Sorry,
ribs hurt.
Jamaican viewers.
Oh, y'all have been something else
Sorry
today,
for
yo.
this man.